Supremely comfortable radiant floor heating has long been known to be superior to forced hot air. It's silent, invisible, saves significant amounts of energy, and can be controlled room by room. Most important is the sheer joy of living in a home where mildly warm floors greet you when you come in from the cold, or when you're getting out of bed, or the shower. Radiant makes your whole home feel just right. So why doesn't everybody build their homes with Radiant? Because this was what a typical boiler room actually looked like for the past 100 years. It's been so complicated that few tradespeople know how to design and build it, which drove up cost. At Warmboard, we were convinced there had to be a better way. If we were starting with a blank sheet of paper, what would a modern boiler room look like? How do we make it the no-brainer choice for every North American home? But why stop at simplifying the boiler room? We set off on a mission to create a fresh approach to everything needed for a radiant floor heating system. We're especially proud of our innovative Warmboard thermostat. We thought it should be an object of beauty on your wall. And here's how you install it. We made it as slender and elegant as a smartphone, with an e-ink display that requires no illumination to be seen in ambient light, and the intuitive interface on the high-resolution screen makes programming a breeze. Here's how you program nighttime setback. Here's how you program vacation setback. But there's more to our unique thermostats than beauty and ease of use. They wirelessly send data accurate to a 1/100th of a degree once a minute to our proprietary Smart Reset controller located inside our warm source boiler. The Smart Reset controller uses this data to deliver unmatched speed and accuracy in temperature control, ensuring a level of comfort never achieved by a heating system. Every Warmboard comfort system is custom engineered to your architectural plans by our licensed professional engineers. The end result is a bundle of virtually all necessary components along with a set of drawings that are quintessentially easy for your contractor to follow. We then use these plans to pre-commission every component to communicate perfectly together in your home. Once pre-commissioned, 3 separate bundles of your components are shipped free freight direct to your project site, with each shipment timed to coordinate with the appropriate phases of your construction schedule. To ensure easy and correct installation, every component is individually color-coded and labeled to match your custom plans. Our plug-and-play approach speeds up installation and all but eliminates the possibility of installation errors. This level of care and detail ensures that any licensed plumber can quickly and correctly install your Warmboard comfort system, saving you significantly on the labor that would otherwise be required by the complicated and inefficient systems of the past. Choosing the high-performance Warmboard comfort system will reward you with the peace of mind knowing you've chosen the very best in comfort and value for your dream home.